Hi, this is DK at Regina Mazda. Thanks for joining me today. I'm just going to show you quickly how to download and set up the My Mazda app in order to use your Mazda connected services to use your remote start for your new Mazda. So we'll simply go to either the Apple Play Store or the Google Play Store. Search for My Mazda, and it'll, when you see the return of the black square with a Mazda logo, we will download and install that. Here I am going to register, so I'm going to use my email address at work here. And phone number, so country code will stay the same, then we will just enter our phone number. And we will get an SMS code. So here, the SMS code that we've gotten is 950459. So we'll just put that in. Now it's going to ask for our information. So I will just put in my info. And I'm going to use the dealership's address for this. Oops. One thing I really like about this app is that you can add additional drivers to it as secondary drivers. And then I'm going to make up a password. Just go ABC 123. Confirmation ABC 123. There, now that we've created an account, we're going to add a vehicle. Now at this point, we're going to scan the VIN number. And so what we're going to do is walk up to our car, open the door, and there is a VIN number, and as you can see, there is a barcode right here. So we're simply going to push the scan button on that barcode. And then once we have the barcode on there, we would have to hit the button at the bottom that says next. That'll give us the VIN number. At that point, we're going to validate once we have double checked that that's the right VIN. Confirm it's the right vehicle. At this point, you'll want to add a preferred dealer. So where you can see my preferred dealer, we will hit the add button. Now we're in Regina. There is the only dealership is us. So we will set Regina Mazda as our preferred dealer. And then we will submit. So we have successfully added the VIN. Do you want to enroll now? So we would enroll. We will start the enrollment. And again, we have some legal disclaimers we have to read, some terms and conditions. 2 sets of them. I read really quickly. Now at this point, we're going to turn the ignition of the car on. You can hear it in the background. And we are going to hit next. And then we need to request an authorization code. And at this point, we just wait for the code to pop up on the screen, which it has right here. So 552942 is the code. We'll go ahead and put it into the app. So 552942. And then we will submit it. It will process the enrollment. As it's processing, we can close and click on next. I'm going to finish turning the car off. And you can choose to add your fingerprints, your biometrics right now. I'm going to choose not to. And that'll bring up the connected services page. Here it'll show at the top the remaining fuel, the distance for range. Then in the very center we'll have a big giant start button. So to use that, we'll simply close the door and hold down start. Now, there are other great features that come with this app. You do have the ability to do a vehicle location, so you can actually find your vehicle. And from the bottom of this screen, you can see there's retailers, my retailer. Those would be for the Mazda dealerships that are near you. There's a button that says fuel. That'll bring up your nearby fuel locations. Favorites for any preset destinations. And then my car would be for, again, locating your vehicle. Beyond that, you also have your status, so you can actually check the vehicle status for driving range, fuel, odometer. Service, you can check your service history as well as your vehicle's health report. See when you're due for maintenance and actually schedule service appointments. Now at the very top right, where the three little bars are, the menu, we can go into that menu and go into My Mazda, click on My Vehicle, and you can go into drivers here and add more drivers at the bottom where it says Manage Drivers. There are other features also with this app, but keep it short and simple for today. If you do have any further questions or would like more information, please feel free to reach out to us at the dealership. And thanks again. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.